Hello students, welcome to Krishnas Maths. आज एरिया अंडर द कर्व रो सेकंड वीडियो. फर्स्ट वीडियो आमे किछि इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन कर साइछे. एरिया अंडर द कर्व पूर्वरु आमे डिफरेंशिएशन, इंडेफिनाइट इंटीग्रेशन, डेफिनाइट इंटीग्रेशन, प्रोबेबिलिटी, डिटरमिनेंट, मैट्रिसेस एमति बहुत गुडे चैप्टर अपलोड कर साइछे. सब इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन टेक्स्ट बुक रू एंड प्लस प्रीवियस ईयर रो केते क्वेश्चन मु नै के आसी विथ ऑल डिटेल कांसेप्ट्स आल्सो. ठीक है. जदि मो चैनल नुआ अछन मो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दियंतु, लाइक कर दियंतु आ शेयर कर दियंतु. बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दियंतु ताकि नुआ नुआ वीडियो आसे आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल परियो. एंड टेलीग्राम ग्रुप को जॉइन करंतु टू डाउनलोड ऑल द पीडीएफ ऑफ दिस नोट्स. राइट. आगु को बढ़िबा. व्हाट इज द एरिया बाउंडेड बाय x is equal to e raised to y. लुक कोन अछि गिवन कर्व अछि x is equal to e raised to y और y is equal to log x. दुटे द सेम जिंस. x equal to e raised to y और y equal to log x. And x is equal to 0, y is equal x equal to 0 माने y axis, y equal to 0 माने x axis, and y equal to 1 y equal to 1 माने line parallel to x axis. So try to draw the diagram. So this is x or y axis. Log x, y equal to log x. तो ग्राफ केमती रहबो y equal to log x या x is equal to e raised to y. x equal to e raised to y माने the graph will be like this. And this is the point 1, 0. This is the point 1, 0. So this is x equal to 0. X equal to 0 माने y axis. Y equal to 0 माने x axis. And y equal to 1. Y equal to 1 माने line parallel to x axis at a distance of 1 unit from the origin. So what is the area required? Y equal to 0 माने eta x axis. Y equal to 1 माने eta. So this is the required area. जो पिंक रे मु मार्क करछ ना, सो ए एरिया मु दरकार. This is y is equal to 0, x axis माने y equal to 0. This is y equal to 1, line parallel to x axis at a distance of 1. Now the area is bounded by y axis. So area is equal to integration 0 to 1 x dy. Y axis को bounded है x dy. So this is equal to integration 0 to 1. What is x? X is equal to given as e raised to y. So e raised to y into dy. Now the integration of y e raised to y is e raised to y within the limit 0 to 1. So this is equal to e raised to 1 minus e raised to 0. E raised to 1 is e raised to 0 is 1. So answer is e minus 1 square units. Area h by square units. So this is the first question of today's video, and that was came in 2004 exam. Right? बहुत इजी अछि. खाली आपन ग्राफ टा आइडेंटिफाई करियार अछि. x is equal to e raised to x माने x equal to e raised to y माने ग्राफ केमति हो. और you can identify like this. Y equal to log x. Y equal to log x ग्राफ जाना अछि. तापर डायग्राम बनि गेला. एक एरिया पळे आसीबो. राइट. नाउ सेकंड, राइट द एरिया बाउंडेड बाय y equal to minus 2x. y equal to mx फॉर्म रे अछि किंतु minus 2 अछि. माने x जेतबेले पॉजिटिव हबो y सेतबेले नेगेटिव और x नेगेटिव हेले y पॉजिटिव. ऑपोजिट साइन. यदि x नेगेटिव रे y पॉजिटिव और y पॉजिटिव रे x नेगेटिव, लाइन विल पास थ्रू सेकंड एंड फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट. काई ना सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में x नेगेटिव y पॉजिटिव और फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट रे x पॉजिटिव y नेगेटिव. फर्स्ट और थर्ड जदल कहबे, फर्स्ट रे बोथ पॉजिटिव, थर्ड रे बोथ नेगेटिव. सेमति नै y इक्वल टू minus 2x अछि. दिस इज गिवन एज y इक्वल टू minus 2x. x को पॉजिटिव नेले y नेगेटिव, y को पॉजिटिव नेले x नेगेटिव. सो लेट अस ड्रॉ x and y axis first. So this is your x and y axis. Okay. So this is what the graph is. Y equal to minus 2x. Y equal to minus 2x will be a line which will pass through origin and will lie in which quadrant? Second and fourth quadrant. Lie in which quadrant? Second and fourth quadrant. Why? Because their signs are different. X and y are always of opposite sign. Right? So this is the line. Y equal to minus 2x. Y is equal to 0 माने x axis. X equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. तो x equal to 1 माने y axis को parallel. X equal to 1 माने y axis को parallel. So a line will be like this. This is your x is equal to 1. And one more line. Okay. Empty अछि. A line to extend कर दिया. हाँ. So this is the area required. So what is the area required? Area bounded by y equal to minus 2x. Y equal to 0 माने x axis. X is equal to 1, y equal to 1. So this is the area required. And since the area lies below x axis, negative sign as well. So required area is equal to mod bhitar rakh de. Integration 1 to 3 y dx. Y is minus 2x mod into dx. So minus 2 is your constant. So minus 2 taken outside. X integration x square upon 2 and within 1 to 3 mod value of this. So this is minus 2 by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So this 2 is not required now. Only a minus sign, but mod ro bahar ko ase plus hai jo 3 square minus 1 square. X is 3 na. So this is 3 square minus x is 1, so 1 square minus of this and mod of this. So this is equal to minus of 3 square 9, 1 square 1. So 9 minus 1 is 8 and mod of 8 will be equal to 8 and 8 square units is your answer. Right? And this was came in 2003. Both easy question. Kisne khali straight line banigala answer asgala. Now find the area of the region bounded by y square equal to 8x and the line x is equal to 2. So given parabola is given y square equal to 8x. This is a parabola and rightward facing parabola. ये parabola जो face हबो ये face हबो parabola rightward. एमती हबो parabola face. This is y square equal to 4ax or y square equal to 8x. So this is the parabola, right? And area and the line x is equal to 2. So what x is equal to 2? X equal to 2 is a line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 2 units from origin. So this is the area required. So first we will find this area. इतनी area में बाहर करिया प्रथम जे x axis को bounded अच्छे ताको 2 रे multiply कर दो. So therefore required area is A is equal to in 2 times काइन को ना 8 जतिक area अच्छे 8 symmetric area अच्छे. So 2 times integration 0 to 2 x is equal to 2. So equation of this line is x equal to 2. So the area is ranging from 0 to 2 y dx. Y को modern काइन ना area अच्छे. So this is 2 integration 0 to 2 y square equal to 8x. So y equal to square root of 8x. So this is equal to 2 root 2 into root x. So this is 2 root 2 into root x into dx. So 2 root 2 बाहर बने इसमें 2 into 2 root 2 will be equal to 4 root 2 root x रो integration x का power half माने half plus 1 will be 3 by 2 and this is 2 by 3 and within the limit 0 to 2. Now 4 into 2 8 root 2 divided by 3 into x को 2 लिखे 2 power 3 by 2 minus 0. 2 power 3 by 2 this is 8 root 2 by 3. 2 power 3 by 2 is 2 root 2. So 16 to the 32 divided by 3 and square units. This is your answer. बुझिए सिंपल क्वेश्चन था खाली पैराबोला बना देले लिमिट पुट कर देले और इंटीग्रेट कर देले अपन. Now question number 4. The area of the area enclosed by parabola y square equal to 8x and the line y equal to 2x केंत करिए देखंतु area find the area enclosed by the parabola y square equal to 4x. तो डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर दो फर्स्ट पे y square is equal to 4x. y square equal to 4x माने केंत रहबो y square equal to 4x माने parabola ए टाइप रो राइट साइड रो फेस करी y is equal to 2x माने y equal to mx हो y equal to mx माने the line will pass through origin and cut the parabola also. So like this the line will be okay. So what the area required? The area will be between parabola and the line. So this is the area required. तो ए पॉइंट आनिबा पड़े ए पॉइंट आनिया पे कोन करबा हमें दुईटा जा ग्राफ को साइमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व करबा टू गेट द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन. गिवन इक्वेशंस आर the first equation is y square is equal to 4x. Let it be equation number 1 and the second equation is y is equal to 2x will be equation number 2. Since the area is bounded by x axis, so to get the point of intersection, solving equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. Solving 1 and 2 simultaneously. So that is using 2 in 1. 2 को नेकी 1 रे यूज करिया. तो 2 रे कोन अछि y is equal to 2x अछि या को a3 पुट करिया y जगह रे 2x. तो 2x रो स्क्वायर is equal to 4x. तो व्हाट इज 2x का स्क्वायर? 2x रो स्क्वायर होछि 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 4x को a3 आनिबे minus 4x equal to 0. Take 4x common. So this will be x minus 1 equal to 0. 4x is 0, that is x equal to 0. X minus 1 is 0, that is x equal to 1. So the area is equal to integration limit मिलगला 0 to 1 y dx माने ऊपर को ग्राफ अछि parabola रो. So that is parabola रो y को y1 minus line रो y को y2. This is area between the graphs. So this is equal to integration 0 to 1 parabola y. Y square is 4x. Y matlab 4x ro root mane 2 root x minus line ro y. Line ro y will be 2x into dx. Right? So this is equal to integration 0 to 1. Integration कर दो direct. चलो 2 into root x. Root x माने x raised to 1 by 2. So this is 3 by 2 into 2 by 3. Minus 2 into x row integration is x square by 2. And within the limit 2, 0 to 1. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. 1 put karandu. 2 into 2 will be 4 by 3. 1 ro power 3 by 2 is 1. Minus 1. Minus x को 0 करें 0 minus 0. So this is equal to 4 by 3 minus 1, which is equal to 4 minus 3 by 3, and that is equal to 1 by 3 square units since the area. And this is your answer. एकदम इजी थिला किंतु दुईटी ग्राफ थिला गोटे पैराबोला और ता तळे गोटे लाइन पैराबोला रो तळर एरिया माइनस लाइन रो तळर एरिया ठीक अछि नाउ find the area of the portion of the ellipse x square upon 16 plus y square of x square upon 12 plus y square upon 16 equal to 1 bounded by major axis and the double ordinate x equal to 3. Okay, so the given parabola is given ellipse, given equation of ellipse is given equation of the ellipse is ellipse equation is x square divided by 12 plus y square divided by 16 and this is equal to 1. So a square is equal to 12 and b square is equal to 16. Clearly b is greater than a. B greater than a mane major axis along y axis. Now the major axis is along y axis. तो ellipse केमती बने देखंतु ellipse बनबो एमती चेष्टा करियो ellipse बना पे हां so this is your x and y axis and the ellipse will be like a type of ellipse बनबो जरा major axis of along y axis और minor axis of along x axis. Now this is the length, ये length होची a और ऊपर length होची b और a length कते गेला a square is 12 तो a 2 root 3. So this is 2 root 3. 2 root 3 माने 3 रो अधिक अछि तो x equal to 3 वाला लाइन टा या भितर आसो x equal to 3 वाला जो लाइन अछि that will be in the ellipse. वैसे क्लोज है गेला टिके दूर रे बने दो. So this is the line x equal to 3. x equal to 3 major axis and double odd माने ये पूरा एरिया दरकार ellipse और लाइन भितर बाउंड्री ए एरिया और x एक्सिस रो तळा एरिया भी दरकार तो सिमेट्रिक एरिया अछि तो 2 रे मल्टीप्लाई कर दो आ लिमिट कोन नै जो लिमिट इज फ्रॉम 0 to 3. So area is equal to integration limit is from 0 to 3 y into dx multiply by 2 करियो काहे ना सिमेट्रिक एरिया अछि. So this is equal to 2 into integration 0 to 3 a through y बाहर करियो y केमते बाहर करियो 1 minus x square by 12. So this is into 16 यारो square root. So this is equal to 2 into 12 minus x square यारो square root into 16 by 12. 16 by 12 माने 4 by 3 and kind of 4 रे कट कर देले 4 by 3 यारो integration within the limit 0 to 3. तो 4 माने 2 by root 3 2 into 2 by root 3 2 into 2 by root 3 and this is root of a square minus x square. 12 माने 2 root 3 whole square तो root of x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a. So this is x upon 2 root 3. This is a and within the limit 0 to 3. Now 2 into 2 कते गेला 4 by root 3. Now x को 3 लिखिबा. So this is 3 by 2. 12 minus 9 will be root 3 plus 12 by 2 will be 6 and 3 by root 3 माने root 3 by 2 sine inverse of x को 3 लिखिबा. So this is root 3 divided by 2. This is your upper limit. Minus lower limit को x को 0 लिखिबा सब 0 हो 0 plus 0 will be 0. So this is equal to के ऊपर नहीं हाँ. So this is equal to the final answer will be 4 upon root 3 into 3 root 3 by 2 plus 6 into sine inverse of root 3 by 2. So this is sine inverse of root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is sine 60. 60 मतलब pi by 3. minus lower limit is 0. So this is equal to 4 by root 3 into 3 root 3 divided by 2 plus 6 into sine inverse of sine, not sine inverse. Sine inverse of sine will get cancelled, and this will be pi by 3. 3 gets cancelled, so this will become 2. So the final answer is 4 by root 3 into 3 root 3 divided by 2 plus 2 pi, and that to square units. Correct? So each chapter एतिकी पढ़िए बस sufficient है जो एतिकी concepts और एतिकी questions. Correct? Now तो एमती टाइप रे क्वेश्चन एरिया अंडर द कर्व दुईटी वीडियो रे सब इंपोर्टेंट कांसेप्ट हमें कवर कर सारे एरिया बाउंडेड बाय वन कर्व, टू कर्व, इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ कर्व, कर्व एंड लाइन, राइट हमें सब कर सारे. ओके तो एमती दुईटी वीडियो बनियो आउ प्रीवियस या पूर्व डेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन ये सब ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर सारे. ठीक है आउ गोटे एरिया अंडर द कर्व गोटे दुई तीन क्वेश्चन गोटे इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन अच्छे से गोटे छोटिया वीडियो बनेदेवी आउ से पढ़ेदेवे बस सफिशिएंट है. मो चैनल नुआ अच्छा मो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दे ताकि नुआ नुआ नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल पारे. टेलीग्राम ग्रुप को जॉइन करेंगे, पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड करेंगे. आप पढ़ुता एग्जाम बेस्ट ऑफ लक.